Good morning, welcome back to the daily vlog where I try to take design the everything and make it profitable. My goal is to hit $100,000 in gross annual revenue within the next 12 months. Right now I'm not particularly close. I'm measuring that metric via rolling 30 gross revenue. So the amount of revenue that I've made in the last 30 days on a rolling basis. I have been exercising every morning, but I'm gonna be honest, my body is beat today. So I am going to take the day off from exercise. I'll probably just do stretches in the time that I would be normally exercising. And then I am working from home today for my day job. I worked out with my boss that I would be working for him Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, as I'm working on this transition to, design the everything supporting me. So that's very kind to him. But today I work from home. So I'm gonna stretch, eat breakfast, and then get to work, I guess.
I have managed to lock myself out of the shop. I guess I'm going around. Remember when we drained the tumbler outside through the garage door? That's the tube that does it. There we go. Now I can open this door. So on the agenda for right now is mostly just taking care of odds and ends to set me up for like tomorrow. So I need to get the laser cut parts in the walnut shells tumbling. I need to pick up some 6x6s to install the mini split tomorrow. I have a package I need to ship. And if I get time, I'll work on the carabiners. So just odds and ends. This batch is just gonna be the large wristlet buckles. I still need a better word for these because they're not buckles, but these. These will get tumbled in the walnut shells for about a day, just to give them a nice little polish on top of the stone washed finish. Next up, we have a package to ship. The trade-off for finding a house that is both affordable and had a large shop is that everything is so far away. It takes me like half an hour to get to the hardware store and then half an hour to get back. So it's like half of a day wasted just to go to the hardware store. And the time has come for editing. I have 2 videos to edit today.